Okay. See this, A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. Next, a perpendicular is always 90 degrees to the given line and or the surface. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. So this answer is true. See this, generally x and y axis, these are perpendicular to each other. That's why they are 90 degrees. This is of lines. This is a surface, piece of paper, and this is a perpendicular. Right? So this is perpendicular to the paper or surface. So it is 90 degrees. Whenever you stand on earth, you are at 90 degrees to the earth. That's the basic logic. Arrange the given steps in the correct order while constructing triangle PQR, where PM is perpendicular to QS and it is given that QR equals to 4.2 centimeter, Q equals to 120 degrees and PQ equals to 3.5 centimeters. So this is the questions and these are the steps. So you have to arrange them in the correct order, correct sequence. First construct PQR. For constructing PQR, QR is the base. So you will have to construct base first. Where is the base? Step 3. Draw line segment QR 4.2 centimeters and construct angle RQX. X is an imaginary 120. Now this is the first step, right? You will always have to construct the base. Now once you get the third as the first step, check which one as the first step, this. Now check only the sequence. You have got the answer. Okay. Then 2. Along QX set QP equals to 3.5. Yes. Now remaining steps are in sequence. You just check them one by one and you'll get the answer. No need of wasting it. You take the compass and a ruler and try it yourself, because that is very important. In this chapter, practice is very important. Because here, step 4, join PR. You have to join this. Then take some line, extend this ray on in this lines. It will be some step number 1. See this, RQ to S with P as a center. Then draw an arc with a sufficient radius cutting SQ at A and B. See this, cut A and B. You'll have to cut this. Then A as a center and more than AB as a radius. This. Then step 6. Then last step is join PC and produce it at M. So that will be the last step. So important is your practice. It's very simple. Just take the compass and ruler and you'll get the answer. Download Yuva app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, etc. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.